We're here in Collegetown Center to see studio apartment 302. This is about in the middle of the floor. Let's go on in. We're in the third floor of this 6th-floor elevator building. As we enter, you can see our kitchen is on the left. This is an angle-style studio apartment. And that means the window has an angle shape. We'll see that as we go in. You can see the refrigerator. There's the dishwasher under the sink and the sprayer. There is the microwave, the electric stove and oven, and you can see we've got some assorted cabinets and drawers here for kitchen storage. Across from the kitchen in this apartment is the bathroom. Let's go take a look in there. It's the same bathroom that we've seen in the other units here in the building, so we'll have that standing shower, tub. We've got the vanity with the sink. There's the toilet and a cabinet on the wall, and you can see there are some towel racks as well. Let's go into the apartment. On the left is our closet. So you can see we have some hanging space and some storage space here in the closet. As we go into the apartment, you can see the window is that angled shape. We'll take a look out there. We are on the south side of the building. This is the brighter side. We are away from the street. And you can see the furnishings. We have that full-size bed. There's the dresser, the bookshelf. The desk and chair is on the right and the table is over there on the left. Let's go on over and see the window. So this angle style window is a feature that we have on some apartments here on the south side of the building, so it gives you a little more space and some more light. And again, we're on the south side, that's the brighter side of the building, away from Dryden Road. You can see we have some good sky over here. Over to our left, you can see College Avenue. So you can see where we are in Collegetown. There's another one of those angle windows, just a couple apartments over from us, so you can see how much they stick out. You can see the parking lots below us. Parking is available as a separate contract. To our left is the College Ave parking that is accessible from College Ave. Directly below the building is the Collegetown Dryden Road upper lots. So you could get an assigned parking space and rent that in one of those lots. It's nice to be able to see your vehicle from your apartment if you are getting a space, so that's something to consider. So this is a look at Collegetown Center, apartment 302. We are in a south angle style apartment on the 3rd floor. Collegetown Center is located at 151 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown, and we're located just 1 block from campus.